In this lesson, you are going to become a master of verb to take in Spanish present tense. The verb to take in Spanish is
tomar,
and this verb is regular Spanish verb that finish in AR. We taught you these regular verbs in previous videos. If you didn't watch it, you can find a link in the description. Let's start with a quick view of the grammar. I take.
yo tomo,
You take.
tú tomas,
He, she takes.
él, ella toma,
We take.
nosotros tomamos,
You take.
vosotros tomáis,
They take.
ellos toman.
As you see, this verb has the same endings or conjugations as the regular verbs. So let's start with the examples and vocabulary. I take pills twice a day.
Tomo pastillas 2 veces al día.
Do you take your computer with you?
¿Tomas el ordenador contigo?
She doesn't take the camera.
Ella no toma la cámara.
We take the plane once a week.
Tomamos el avión una vez a la semana.
Does he take the bus to go to the school?
¿Toma el autobús para ir al colegio?
They never take the train.
Ellos nunca toman el tren.
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.